Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Wix, how to create a website on Wix for eco-friendly landscaping business, easy and quick. So first type Wix on this search. Now enter the website. So as we know, Wix website is a type of website that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know much about coding. Wix offers various tools to design, add content, and customize your site, making it accessible for people who aren't tech savvy. So, first of all, let's create a new site. Now, build with Wix Editor. Now, enter your business type or your website type, eco-friendly landscaping product. So, let's choose this for example. Now enter your business name, type any business name you want. If you want to add your business address. Now let's continue. Set your default working hours. Here add some services. Add your staff. Now what else do you want to do with your business? Accept online payments, send automated emails and SMS reminders, sell digital and physical products. And let's choose them all and let's continue. Now continue to dashboard. Now design your site from here. So how would you like to design your website? If you wanna let Wix create a site for you, or if you wanna let Wix, if you wanna customize the design template. So for me, I'm gonna choose this. It's more easier. Enter your informations here: your business name, your email, your address, and your phone. And if you wanna add social link. So that's it. Now let's continue. So pick a theme you like. Pick your favorite homepage design. Now if you wanna add page to your site, contact, services, and about us, careers and testimonials. Now let's continue. Wait a few seconds to preparing the homepage website. Now your site is up and running, is ready. If you wanna edit more your website, click here, go to the editor. So this is your homepage website. If you wanna add elements, click here. So the first element you have is the text element. If you want to select the form or the size of the text, here you find the titles and the paragraphs. So that's it. Now let's move on to the images. If you want to upload or import images, if you're looking for some free Wix images or free Wix illustrations. Now that's it. Now let's move on to the button elements. Here you find the themed button, the text and icon buttons, and the icon buttons, the image buttons, the document buttons, and the iTunes button. Here you find the payments buttons, the pay buttons, and the PayPal. You have to add some payments buttons on your home page. Now let's move on to the strip. Here you find the strip elements: classic, featured, about, services, contact, welcome, testimonials, and team. So that's it. So select any one of these and put it on your home page at any place you want. Now let's move on to the decorative. Here you find the shapes, the seamed lines, the basic shapes, and the rows, the horizontal lines, and the vertical lines. Also here we find the vector art, the featured, icons, animals and nature, logos and the badges, and characters. And the last here is the video elements. We find the video box, the video mask, and transparent video. So that's it. Now let's move on to the boxes elements. Here you find the themed boxes, the container boxes, and the hover boxes, and the tabs. So you can add any one of these on your home page. So let's move on to the gallery. Here if you're looking for some recommended galleries, if you want to add pro galleries or guide galleries or slider galleries, or if you want to show more galleries. Now let's move on to the menu in the Anchor. So here you find the themed menus, the horizontal menus and the vertical menus. And here you find the in-page navigation, the anchor and the in-page menu. And the last here is the site search. So that's it. Here you find the contact and the forms, the contact forms, the order forms, the registration forms, the donation forms, the application forms, the feedback forms, the request forms, and the waiver forms, and the subscribe forms. You have to add any one of these on your homepage at any place as you like. So that's it. Here you find the Google Maps, the normal maps, and the full width maps, and you will find the chat, the Wix chat, and the line. So that's it. Now let's move on to the video and music. We find here the video elements, single video players, or Wix video, or video box, or transparent video, or video mask. Here we find the music elements. We find audio players, Wix Music and SoundCloud player, and Spotify player, and iTunes button. Also here the interactive. We find the slideshows, the full width slideshows, or the box slideshows, the light boxes, and the boxes, the hover boxes, and the tabs. Also here we find the hover repeaters. Now let's move on to the list. Here we find normal repeaters, and the hover repeaters, and the blank repeaters. So that's it. Here we find let's move on to the embed code. If you want to custom some popular embeds, if you want to add some single video players, if you want to edit the audio elements, SoundCloud player, or Spotify player, or iTunes button. Here we find the advanced elements, the marketing tools, and the Velo dev mode, and the last here is the animation elements. Now let's move on to the social bar. If you want to add some social bars here, select any one you like. If you want to add some Facebook link, or Twitter, or Pinterest, or VK online, or YouTube link on your homepage. Now let's move on to the payments. Here the payment section, the payments buttons, and the payment forms, and the pricing plans, and the store. Let's move on to CMS. Here if you want to easily manage your site contents, the blog if you want to share your expertise and engage with your audience, and the store, and the bookings elements and the related elements, and the pricing plans. And here we find the events, create and manage events, the community, and your designs. So that's it. If you want to add section, click here, select any section you want to add on your homepage website, and that's it. Now let's move on here. If you want to add a page and menu, so here you can add page as you like. Now let's move on here. If you want to design your site, so here you can customize your site, the color theme, or the text theme, or the page background, or the page transitions. Here you find if you want to add some apps, if you want to manage your business, if you want to upload your media, and edit images and videos. If you're looking for some free Wix images or free Wix videos. Here if you're looking for if you wanna easily manage your site content. And the last here is marketing and SEO. If you wanna manage your Google ads or Facebook ads or SEO or social media marketing or marketing integrations. So that's it. After you're done from designing your website, all you have to do is click here publish, and you're gonna publish your website easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.